Hello and welcome to 12 Commerce students. Today in this class I will explain to you the importance of communication. Uh, we were doing the last element of directing, that is communication. In this class we will focus in the importance how communication helps us. Now management functions cannot be performed uh, continuously, cannot be performed efficiently, smoothly without an effective communication process. If there is an effective communication process carried out in an organization, only then the overall functioning of the whole organization can be performed uninterruptedly. So communication has its own importance in the uh, organization. uh, it is said to be the nervous system of any enterprise, and how it helps an enterprise, that I will help you to know point wise. See, I have written in the board the importance of communication. The importance may be uh, explained with the following points that I am writing one by one. First of all, it facilitates coordination. It facilitates coordination. Coordination can be maintained among various related departments by making an exchange of information on a regular basis. Coordination of various efforts becomes easy if communication is effective. It binds the people together and it is really helpful for communication. It is really helpful. Communication again is really helpful for coordination. So it helps coordination. Next is it facilitates decision making. Helps in decision making. It helps in decision making. It helps the management in arriving at vital decisions. The quality of any decision depends largely on the quantity of information available to the decision maker. Effective communication helps in implementing the decisions of the management. If proper information is carried out through proper channel to the decision maker, easily they can carry out the decision making process. Easily they can take any decision if the communication process is strong and effective. Next is sound planning. Helps in sound planning. Sound planning. What does that mean? Now, it facilitates planning by providing such information as if needed by the planners. Through communication, the managers get the required and relevant information which helps to formulate proper plans and proper formulations in an organizations, proper plans and proper programs for the company. It also helps in the proper implementation of plans and policies in the management. Next, it creates interpersonal relationship. Uh, Communication helps in improving relationships between the superior and his subordinates by providing clear and accurate information. These relations can be created through exchange of ideas, opinions, expressing the opinions, giving the information, directives, suggestions, and taking instructions from others. So there should be a clear-cut communication openly, and there should not be place for any kind of doubt, any kind of confusion if there is proper communication. So communication helps to maintain a cordial relationship and interpersonal good sound relationship, healthy relationship is maintained, which helps to avoid any kind of industrial dispute or industrial unrest. Next is it creates mutual trust and confidence, which is utterly important between the management and the employees. It creates mutual trust and confidence. creates mutual trust and confidence between the management and the employees. It is essential for healthy industrial relation. It is helpful in boosting the morale and motivation of the employees working in the organization. It prompt redressal of employees' grievances by top level manager motivates the employees to work efficiently. Then it ensures democratic management. It ensures democratic management. That means what? It is the basis of democracy. It is the basis of democratic management. It ensures cooperation through understanding. It facilitates effective leadership and maintenance of man-to-man relationships. It has got a lot of importance. Communication has got a lot of importance apart from these. It improves public relation. Helps to maintain a good PR. The shareholders, suppliers, government, community at a large, a good relation is maintained with the help of proper communication. It develops a good public image of the organization. That's why it kinds to healthify the public relations. Then it helps to cope up with the changing environment, accept changing environment, or cope up with challenging environment. It induces managerial efficiency or increases managerial efficiency. Also it ensures effective controlling. So you can see a lot of importance. Communication is having many importance. Apart from this, it establishes team spirit. Team spirit. Also, it helps in conducting global economic operations, facilitates directing functions. So as you can see, I have written in the board 11 points back to back. All are important. So communication is very much important for an organization, very vital functioning of directing, very vital element of directing. Proper communication must be there because it facilitates a lot of things which is written in the board. Apart from it facilitates many other things. It is helpful in many other things. It is facilitating a lot of things, but for a time shortage you will present all the points among the answer written over in the board. All these you can take a screenshot, or you can take the notes in the online classes also, that or offline classes, either I will provide. But very important question, please make it down, note it down. Importance of communication, very important answer from this chapter. So till then, goodbye.